come from my show to walk my dog, bro. You know, so that I'll know. I'll be a laugh. So like I said, before the show even start, you're going to post the show and the people are going to see the show. Before the show even start, you start gimmicks me out. I never like it. I pass. I look for you. I call me. I look for you. You see it? Bro, my dog got hard for you. My man kick off on the jungle for you. When the whole world after I have Batty Boy, I say, dog, my friend a Batty Boy, I be a girl I see him with. Wait, I never left from around here and style and for disrespect you. No, I got disrespect you. And no money, I disrespect you. I have a company me. I'm going to play it for a while ago and say, man, the dog good, man. Man, the dog I'll chat to the 1 o'clock. For 1 hour, man. Man, the dog cool. Oh. I just a gimmicks thing where the gimmicks thing, brother, that get me hurt, me dog. I mean, I said, dog, why do you feel like him for gimmicks me? But me was upset about that. Me no want nobody add to nothing and try to style me, bro. Me just vexed about the whole thing. I realize it's a little team thing. You see? It's a little team thing. But I want me vexed about, and when the dog said to me, me said, the diplomatic said, rough up a studio. That made me upset. That made me vex. And anybody would have vex. Cause if I'm on this Jeffrey, pussy automatically this me too. Man style as this and man style as that, brother ask. Remember me a foot of them have nothing, you know. Foot of the style and me style but put a fear, bro. Me a foot and have nothing, you know, check it, you know. And foot of this Jeffrey automatically, you know. Why can't talk in this too? Me never yet, bro. So when you come about me and someone no good and you post a video. I ever see when me vex about from the get-go, you gimmicks me out. I when I got if you something like you really start off with this. Me and the dog now nothing personal and I like we have no money issue. I like we have no girl issue. And I like as the gimmicks part show me off. Cause bro, when the people with that bash you and say, yo, your friend a Batty Boy, your friend a this. Me no gimmicks you with that. Me no run joke with that. When I do a new Kingston and people come and say, yo, you really are going party. And I be man, I put things on my DM and I be people that half of me millions of dollars tell me say, yo, no deal back with Jeffrey, the man there, this and Jeffrey, you know what me do? Me there a party for your stage. Me there a party early. Me I'll help you set up. Come out when I set up. For sure you the respect come here and fear, bro. Yes, I understand what you say. Walk you should go back to them studio. Walk you should go around them. But when me